Hello, beautiful world. It is makeup time, honey. So, I am not going to do a full face today because I'm a little bit under the weather. Just a little tired, that's all. So, I have been getting some requests to walk through the eyebrows. So, we're going to take a journey through the eyebrows tonight. And then tomorrow, we will look into doing some sort of look and testing out some new products that I have. Okay, so we're going to get started with our handy dandy LA Colors brown pencil, nice and sharpened. It's important to use the sharpener that comes with it because the lead is soft and you want a nice pointy lead. You don't want it to be all round and your design goes on smeared looking. Okay, so step one, how you hold your pencil. Don't put so much choke on the pencil and hold it like you're writing on paper. But you have to kind of hold it with your pointer finger and just hold it near the back end. There's a bone under your eyebrow. Everybody has one. We're going to trace a line on that bone, not on the eyebrow. Get as snug and as close to the eyebrow as possible, but use the bone to guide you on tracing the shape. Now we're going to make a parallel line, meaning a line going in the same direction above the eyebrow. Now, on the back end, we're going to connect those two lines going straight down. Okay, so now I'm going to do a gradient eyebrow. That's my favorite, which means the back part of the eyebrow is darker and the front end is lighter. So first we're going, well, before I fill in the eyebrow, let me first trace my shape over here while my pencil is still sharp. Okay, so you have two trace eyebrows. Now it's time to fill in. You're going to start at the middle of your eyebrow and fill in the back end darker than the front. Now fill in the front end of the eyebrow lighter. Delicately swipe your pencil across the front end of your eyebrow. Now same for the other side. Darker, lighter, darker, lighter. Okay, Now, I don't use a brow brush to shape my eyebrows because the brow brush is too skinny and hard to me. So I just use a soft toothbrush from Dollar Tree. Okay? Soft toothbrush. So just lightly swipe across the eyebrow just to blend and just to get the hairs laying down. Lightly. You see how lightly I'm swiping? Okay, so now you have two big gigantic eyebrows. I like them like that. I like to do mine like that. Not leave them like this, but I like to draw them on this way because by the time I finish the entire makeup look, the eyebrows will be skinnier. And we're going to start making them skinnier by using concealer to shape them. So first thing I'm going to do is get my NYX concealer. Keep in mind, no expensive products right now. I'm going to highlight above the eyebrow and below the eyebrow. And as you can see, your eyebrows are lighter around the edges, lighter than your actual face. This concealer brush came from Dollar Tree also. Okay, now I'm just going to make a diagonal line straight across so that I won't have a unibrow. And then I'm going to do the same on this side, straight across. You only need a very little bit of concealer for this. So go straight up the middle. Now come across. Ooh, look, I messed up my eyebrow. That's okay. Look at that. You are in control. You are in control. You can start repeat process. You can use your toothbrush to brush up places that you think you've missed. Right now, I see a little gap. And now you have on eyebrows. And the cool thing about it, even though I drew the outline around the eyebrows, I'm really just darkening the fine hairs that are already there that you can't see because they're really fine. And from here, I would move on to my foundation. Well, I will cover some of the dark spots and then move on to the foundation. But we're not going to do a full makeup look tonight. So we're going to stop with the eyebrows. I wanted to touch base with you guys on what type of content, what type of makeup products you would like to see me buy from Dollar Tree. I did see some rejuvenating multivitamin drops that I'm thinking about trying. A whole bunch of different things. And I also have to try that Big Block lipstick that we bought at the store together. Okay, so that's pretty much what I have. I really need you to subscribe. Okay? Now, I'm talking to you, the one that's been watching in the bushes. I know you're there. I can see you. And I know you see me. Just hit the subscribe button, please. Enough is enough. You always watch. I see you in my analytics. So just hit the button. It won't hurt anything. It's just the click of a button. Subscribe, please. I thank you. I appreciate you. I won't leave you. I made a promise and I intend on keeping that, which is why I came to you tonight, even though I am dog tired, feet swollen, been on my feet all day, just trying to get my life organized. But nonetheless, subscribe, like and share, of course. Comment, but most of all, subscribe. I love you very much. I appreciate you very much. And I will see you tomorrow. Until then, friend.